Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. Did you know that in addition to our thousands of artist created images on Storyboard That, you also have access to millions of Creative Commons licensed photos from Photos for Class, a safe site search for students? You can access these by searching the art in our search bar, and you can see that the Storyboard That art comes up, as well as photos from Photos for Class. When I use these photos, you'll notice that the source is cited at the bottom of the storyboard. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Storyboard That's option to filter out items such as weapons that may not be appropriate for younger users. Go to the Storyboard Creator settings at the bottom of your dashboard to make these changes. If I scroll down to the bottom of my dashboard, you can see under Account Settings, I will click See More, and here are Storyboard Creator options. Click here. Here you can see our photo search option. With these options, you may choose no photo search, which will disable photos in the search results. You can also choose G-rated. These illustrations and photos are hand curated and appropriate for all ages, with over 50,000 hand-reviewed images. You can also choose PG rated. These illustrations and photos are consistently reviewed, but they can include more mature imagery, including weapons and drug paraphernalia. Some of this imagery may not be appropriate for younger students. We also have image packs that extend the art library in the creator. By default, they are turned off. However, you can turn on winter holidays that include festive images for Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and New Year's. We also have mature content such as reproductive health and Holocaust imagery. These might not be suitable for young students. Storyboard That makes it easy for teachers to choose the right content that is appropriate for their students. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.